Hello everyone, welcome to another quick video. Today I'll show you how to open the boot in case it doesn't open from the outside and you have to open it from the inside. You'll have to drop down the back seat, remove the parcel shelf, and to reach here. So you have this cap that you need to remove. And in this hole, you're gonna see a square. I don't know if you can see it, but it's there. The light is not helping me that much. So that square, with a flathead screwdriver that is wider than the usual, you put it in that square. And you turn it. And this is how you open it, just like that. I hope the video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos and see you on the next one.